Hello guys, welcome to Study Hacks. Today we will see CBSE Standard 10th Maths, Chapter number 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variable. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Bit number 5. Under root 2 x plus under root 3y is equals to 0. This is our first equation. Under root 3x minus under root 8y is equals to 0. This is our second equation. Now take equation 1. Under root 2x plus under root 3y is equals to 0. X is equals to minus under root 2x is equals to minus 3y. Take this y to the right hand side. Now take this 2 to the right hand side. Therefore x is equals to minus 3 by 2 minus under root 3 by under root 2y. This is our third equation. We have got the value of x in terms of y. Now we will put this in the second equation. Put equation 3 in equation 2. We get under root 3x minus under root 8y is equals to 0. Under root 3 in bracket, put the value of x. Under root 3 minus under root 3 upon under root 2y minus under root 8y is equals to 0. Under root 3 multiplied by under root 3. This will be under root 3 square. The square and under root will get cancelled and we will left with 3. So multiplication of this will be minus 3 upon under root 2y minus under root 8y is equals to 0. Now can you see y and y common over here? We will take this y in common and we will write all the remaining numbers in the bracket. Minus under root 8 is equals to 0. Now you can clearly see that the answer of multiplication of y and this bracket will be a 0. So you know that if you want the answer of the products of any two numbers as 0, one of the products should be 0. And here, if we solve this bracket, it will definitely not be 0. That's why we have to take y as 0. Therefore, y is equals to 0. This is the value of y. Here you have to write the statement. If the product of any two numbers is 0, then one of the two numbers must be 0. Okay, this is a very important statement. You have to write this in this question, in this answer. Now put the value of y in any of the equation and you will get the answer. You will get the value of x. I will take the first equation again. Under root 3 into 0 is equals to 0. Under root 2x plus under root 3 into 0 will be 0 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 upon under root 2. Therefore, the value of x will be a 0. So for this equation, the value of y is 0 and value of x is also 0. You have to solve this question in this way. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thanks for watching.